House CX3 by Arkylab in JESÚS MARÍA, Mexico. Within the Tierraverde condominium to the north of the city of Aguascalientes, on a 750 square meters plot, the CX3 house project is located. This is a single-family residence with a typical program for a family of 5 members, where the premise set by the users was to enhance the spaces for family and social interaction with visitors, make the most of the relationship with the immediate green areas, and thus create different environments according to their uses. The project arises from the central idea of immersion as a conceptual strategy that allows the different spaces of the house to be physically interconnected by functionality and spatiality, enabling the penetration of the exterior green areas through different strategies, so that each of the interior spaces has a direct relationship with a fragment of the exterior. On the ground floor, towards the west, with access from the vehicular street, an introverted facade is generated, avoiding direct sunlight and creating a main pedestrian access slanted towards the north, with a space that serves as a vestibule, welcoming and receiving, accompanied by a small garden that anticipates the interior routes. The facade only opens up in a large glass door that accompanies the corridor of the second floor, allowing access to a terrace on the roof of the garage, which becomes an escape for watching the sunset towards Cerro del Muerto. In the interior, the social area of the house, with the living room, dining room, and kitchen integrated into the same space horizontally in one direction, and in the other direction allowing the immersion of gardens and open spaces that integrate framed fragments of the exterior, culminating with a couple of social terraces, a block of social lounge and bar at the eastern end that allows access to the house from the green areas of the condominium at that end. In the tension between one area and another, and on the north side, the linear staircase is accompanied by a garden and the relationship with the water mirror, as a symbol of the central part of the house and its functional pivot, the heart and lung. On the upper floor, the bedrooms are divided into a western wing and an eastern module. The latter houses the master bedroom, which centers its position on the garden, opening up to the east and south, complemented by a large dressing room and bathroom, while in the western wing, the complementary bedrooms, fully open to the east, share a privileged view of the house's gardens and the large trees in the eastern context. The materiality that determines the project seeks to achieve a balance between the ground floor, with exposed concrete walls vertically lined to seek solidity, timelessness, and a greater sense of spaciousness, and the upper floor, with special brick walls that were manufactured for the project with larger dimensions, allowing for the concealment of structural reinforcements and installations, which are covered with a light coating that preserves their texture. The use of wooden beams in the social area as a roofing system, as well as solemn wood paneling, seeks to bring warmth to the interior, accompanied by large marble slabs, which complete the use of natural materials as a premise.